Hello, welcome guys. Today let's look at the SQL LeetCode question 183, customers who never order. So for this one, let's look at the problem. We have a customers table and it has ID and name. ID is the primary key, column with the unique values for this table. Each row of this table indicates the ID and name of a customer. Then we have orders table which has ID and customer ID. ID is the primary key, column with the unique values for this table, meaning it's the order ID. Customer ID is a foreign key, references column of the ID from the customers table. Each row of this table indicates the ID of an order and ID of the customer who ordered it. So they said it's a foreign key, so all the customer ID values will be in the customers table. So now let's look at the question. Write a solution to find all customers who never order anything. Return the result table in any order. That's good. The result format is in the following example. Let's look at the example. We have customers 1, 2, 3, 4, Joe, Henry, Sam, Max. In the orders table, we have 2 orders and the customer IDs are 3 and 1. That means Sam and Joe have orders. So our question is who never order anything. So that means we need 2 and 4, Henry and Max. That's it. That's what is in the output, and the column renamed in the output as customers. So let's jump in. Let's think of any questions and confirmations. So it's important to say confirmations and questions. So first thing we will say, like the customer table has ID and name. So ID is the primary key. We will not have any null values in the ID value. So that's no need to worry. And then we have orders table that has the customer ID and ID. One question may be, because it's a customer ID, can it be null? I think it's not, because it's a foreign key. Can you confirm? Interviewer says yes. And what else do we need? Seems simple enough, and I don't see any other questions. And we also already have the sort order in any order, so let me write it. So there is 2 approaches to this one. So let's go with the left join. We can do the left join of the customers table. So we map all the customers who have orders, filter by null. That's one way. So it would be select name as the customers from customers C, and we are gonna left join. With the left join, we will get all the records in the customers even when they don't have orders. But when they have orders, multiple orders, they'll get multiple records. And yeah, another question is, do we need to, because yeah, we will get multiple records, but because we are only taking the customers who don't have any records, so we will not get duplicates. Not doing the order by, so this one should be good. Not doing the order by because we don't need any sort order, so select name as customers. This should work. And it was successful. So this is works when we have a good relationship type database and we don't have a columnar approach. This is good. But there is another approach, because nowadays everything is like column store. So we can simply get custom name as customers from customers table, where the customer ID not in select customer ID from orders. So what this is doing is it is pulling all the customer IDs and just making sure it's not in there and showing the results of that customers, which works well when we have columnar databases. And because it's LeetCode, if I run again, it will be improved. See, but these are the two ways we can do it. So for this one, you should be ready for the questions on the why left join, and is there any alternative way which can show as not in, definitely. Oh, yeah, this is it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.